He dropped down on us like straight to the ground.
Yeah.
You did it a little bit there, but you have to.
Somewhat, yeah.
Especially when it's windy. Right?
Conditions, sometimes, yeah, when
It's windy, you have to
Yeah.
drop it fast, right? It's totally cool, but you did a good job. Yeah, it takes a minute to get used to, but
Yeah, you get used to it eventually.
yeah, this dude's been doing this for a while. How many flights do you do a year?
Oh God, a year?
100,000, right?
About 3,000 or 4,000.
Yeah. Ain't nothing to you like riding a bike.